All right, Angela, 2 trades.
Yeah, so the Raptor's in there, and then both of them do have payoffs on them. The XM, he does have negative equity, but he is aware of it, and will put money down to cover it. That's
All right, so what do we know about this Raptor R? What about, I mean, conditionally you have it in here is perfect.
He does have aftermarket wheels, tires, lights, and wrap. No performance upgrades. I just assumed he's going to need tires on it with 30,000 miles. We're rounding up because he said he'd probably drive both trades in with his girlfriend.
Man, it's got a lot of miles on it for the year. Very miley.
He said he's bought 40 new cars in the last 4 years. I'm like, how do you do?
That's wild. This could be a little bit of a potential issue with approvals. They're in and out of cars that frequently.
Yeah.
Banks don't always love that.
He's just deciding what GT he wants.
So he doesn't want the hell green?
He's not sure, no. He's like, just send me all of the ones that you have. I sent him pictures of it too. He likes it, but he kind of likes the desert sand one better.
Okay, so I have the payoff here for, oh, whoa.
The XM, he's pretty upside down in.
Well, the Raptor, he's way upside down in.
Oh, really?
Like 57 grand. The issue with that one is that it's significantly higher miles than average for 2023s. AccuTrade's telling me that the base odometer is like 11,000 miles.
Yeah.
And he'll have, 30 by the time he gets here.
Yeah, let me watch
Which
this.
is way up there. Same thing with this BMW XM. This is even more intense.
Mm-hmm.
Average miles for the Raptor were like 21.
Yeah.
Average miles for the BMW is like 11. So super miley for both cars in comparison to what else is out there.
Yeah.
This is the new winner. Most negative equity I think I've ever seen.
What is it?
Not even sure I can wrap my head around what I'm looking at right here.
Oh no. So he's 56 grand upside down in this one.
$90,000 upside down in this BMW.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
He said he knew he was 80. He knew he was 80 grand upside down.
Wow.
He's more than that.
Oh, alright.
Are you kidding?
He sounded like he thought he had positive equity in the Raptor.
That's
What?
the most I've ever
I don't know,
heard.
yeah, that's what he sounded like on the phone. But he's like, that's why I want to get out of the BMW just because I'm losing so much money in it.
Like full-blown MMR is 79, so he's probably going off of that number. MMR is not going to be a good indicator of what this car is actually worth with the miles that it has. They're just so high. It's looking at cars that did sell that have on average 11,000 miles. Look, this guy's bought 40 cars in 4 years. He's no stranger to this.
Yeah, so.
Okay, this car, the miles are just so out of whack. If I search for VX5Ms with over 20,000 miles, there's only 9 in the country. Over 25,000 miles, there's only 4. It would basically be the highest mile car in the country.
Okay, fun. So that'll be.
So let me adjust this number on the X5 a little bit. I think it's a little low, but still, it's not good.
It's not gonna.
Monthly depreciation is $1,500 on it, so it's really bad. And market day supply is really high, 112-day market day supply.
90,000.
Just absolutely wild.
Should I call him?
I would just call him, go over it with him. That way you can reaction in real time.
Thank you.
At least he's aware.
He is on the BMW. I don't know about the Raptor. It didn't sound like that was.
There's no data point that would suggest positive equity on that. I mean, his payoff is so far above the appraisal value. There's just no way.
All right, let me call.